Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shubha here, and I'm very much excited today because I'm going on a solo trip to Pondicherry. So this is going to be my first ever solo trip, and so I'm very excited about it. At the same time, I'm very nervous too because I'm a little scared. So actually normally I used to book my packages or everything to make my trip, but this time I booked it separately, and that means I have booked my hotels and all my tours and everything separately. So by 5 I think I should be in Pondicherry. I have a layover in Bangalore, so maybe of 2.5 hours. So I'm going to share all my experiences with you guys. So yeah, I'm very much excited. So I just reached Bangalore airport, and I have a connecting flight from here to Pondicherry. So I'm going towards the flight now, and I'm just having my quick lunch. I've taken paneer tikka, kati roll, and some juice. So my flight is at 4 o'clock. It's around 2 o'clock right now. So yes, I'm waiting for my flight. I've honestly never seen such a tiny and cute plane before. It literally felt like I was boarding a private jet. Hey guys, I've just reached Pondicherry airport.
Top down, hear the sound of the breeze carrying us away.
It's quite humid.
Dust in the rear view, free as a bird. This is our time, no matter what they say.
Okay guys, so I have booked a cab now from the airport, and actually I'm staying today at Kariyappa House, which is a mix of French and Tamil. It's a homestay basically, so French and Tamil architecture, so it's very beautiful. So what I've seen on the pictures, and yeah, so I'm very excited to go there. So I just took a cab, and the cab charged me around 700 rupees. Just outside the airport the cabs are available, so I just booked it there. So now we're going towards the Kariyappa House. It looks awesome. इन्होंने मुझे यहाँ स्लीपर्स चेंज करने के लिए दिया है. अगर इस प्रॉपर्टी में घूमना है तो आई थिंक वी हैव टू वेयर या स्लीपर्स. So yeah, I'm wearing it. So I've come to this Kariyappa property. I've already reached, and so it is actually very beautiful. They welcome me with a welcome drink, and so yeah, very tired क्योंकि बहुत गर्मी है इधर. But my room also is very good. So there is a housekeeping person by name Ramji. So he explained me everything. So yeah, I'm just getting fresh now, and maybe I see you in some time. So now time is 8 o'clock, and I've asked Ramji the caretaker कि मुझे डिनर के लिए जाना है. यहाँ सिस्टम ऐसा है कि इफ़ यू वांट टू हैव मतलब अगर आपको लंच और डिनर यहाँ करना है तो आपको प्री बुक करना पड़ता है. जैसे कि जब मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए कल जाऊँगी तो विच इज़ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री, तो तभी मुझे उनको बोलना पड़ेगा कि आई बी हैविंग लंच और डिनर फॉर द डे. तो अभी तक मैंने डिनर तो कुछ बुक नहीं किया हुआ था. सो आई टोल्ड द केयर टेकर दैट आई नीड टू गो फॉर द डिनर आउटसाइड. So he'll be arranging a rickshaw for me. So from here I'll catch a rickshaw, and then I'll just search 2-3 nearby restaurants are there. So yeah, so he'll take me to the restaurant. So I'll just have my dinner, which lightly lungi. So let's see. And then I've just come to the room, and then I just got relaxed, slept for some time.
Ain't promising forever, ain't no end in sight. Sure as hell try. Girl, I'm loving the ride.
I ended my day with dinner at this beautiful little restaurant by name Coromandel. I had some mac and cheese and hot chocolate for dinner. So I'm back to my homestay. Food was yum, and I had hot chocolate also because I had a sore throat. पता नहीं थोड़ा सा sore throat हो चुका है, so it's a little bit painy. So Kariyappa house is in fishing village, सो थोड़ा सा नाइट बाहर जाने के लिए, इफ़ यू आर अ फीमेल सोलो ट्रैवलर, लिटिल बिट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इट्स लिटिल रिस्की. तो रिस्की इन द सेंस मतलब you won't find anybody walking out, and so it's better to take a rickshaw or a cab. And rickshaw is more feasible because the roads are very narrow, and it's better to take a rickshaw and travel. And there are a lot of rickshaws available, I've seen on the way also. So these people also arrange for you if you want. I came back with the same person and he dropped me back to my homestay. So yeah, this property also is very good. And so tomorrow is day 2. I'll end this vlog and see you in the next vlog, and it will show you day 2 of Pondicherry. Stay tuned.